What's going on, guys? It's Andrew of Beat It AT Production and Publishing, bringing you guys a brand new YouTube video. In this YouTube video, I'm going to be going through the AT Wave 2 sample pack and MIDI pack. It is a Rod Wave inspired sample and MIDI pack. It has 20 brand new melody compositions, including the MIDI. So let's go inside. I'm just going to pick a random one. This one's called Down. I'm going to play it. So that one's super fire. Super fire samples. I think any producer that's looking to make like the Rod Wave, Polo G, I could see Young Boy as well. A lot of the, Louisiana or like the sad trap, soul trap type of beats. I think this pack would be like perfect for them. I'm gonna play it down. I want to go through the MIDI on that one. Oh, that piano is crazy. These samples were composed and produced by Tony over at Beat It AT. So I just essentially just changed out the piano. No, I just grabbed the MIDI from the bass line, and so I'm gonna look for an 808 that I like. if I would consider this a rod wave type beat necessarily, but at least what I turned it into. But it might be, I don't know. Because we changed the melody, so maybe we'll look for anyone who's still watching it, or if you made it up to this point, if you have any type of idea or artist type beat this would be, leave a comment down below, because I don't know if this would be a rod wave one. Will this break us? No, it won't. I love using this. probably do I'll add some additions, some like different instrumentation. Probably add some strings, maybe do something in the outro, and then master it, and or at least mix it a little bit better. With OBS, I'm kind of limited. I can't really overdo it. So yeah, this was I mean, the sample kit that we used for the melody compositions was the AT, the Wave 2 Rod Wave inspired melody composition sample pack. Drums, I used a mixture of Enviral's fractal drum kit, I believe. I'll put the link to that in the description. And then I also used some stuff from AT Soundkit 6 and AT Soundkit 7, which is still in the works. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this. What kind of artist type beat would this be? Would this classify as a rod wave type beat? I know those samples in the melody pack would be rod wave type of samples, but I don't know if this beat would be. I will play the whole beat all the way through. Let me know what you guys think.